Many of our neighbors and friends have worked with Troy Granite and they were very satisfied. We like their kitchen, so that's why we decided to go with Troy Granite. There were variety colors of granites in their warehouse. So we went there with our sales rep and he helped us a lot. He asked what colors we are going to use in our new house, and depending on our choices, he just classified all the granites and quartz for us. So this was our choice. From the first to the last visit, every time we go to their facility, we see that people were very helpful and they inspired us with their experience. They suggested some granite slabs for us, depending on our cabinet colors and the kitchen design. So we loved everyone's ideas and their experiences. All the installers were very friendly. They didn't damage any of our furniture or anything else. We loved all the steps. That was easy and so fast. That was all we expected. I was not hesitating with working Troy Granite because I saw what they did it for my neighbors and friends, and the result was amazing. We were very satisfied. I recommend Troy Granite to all of my friends who are thinking about renovating their houses. Their store has variety options besides the granite countertops. They are doing different stones. As you see my wall, Troy Granite has done it for me. I also have a tile in my bathroom and vanities. They are all done by Troy Granite. One more time, I want to thank everyone who helped us from beginning to end. The sales representatives, the installers, managers, everyone. We were very satisfied. Thank you so much, Troy Granite.